Why does a huge ship float, but a tiny pebble sinks straight down? The answer is density, one of the most useful ideas in physics. Density tells us how tightly packed the mass is inside an object. It compares an object's mass to the space it takes up, its volume. The formula is density equals mass divided by volume. We usually write that as a triangle to help remember it. Density is measured in kilograms per cubic meter or grams per cubic centimeter. Let's picture two blocks that are exactly the same size. One is made of feathers, the other of solid gold. The gold block has way more mass packed into the same space. That means gold is far denser than feathers. This is exactly why a huge ship can still float. Its mass is spread across a massive volume, making its overall density low. Water has a density of about 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Anything denser than water will sink, anything less dense will float. That's why ice floats on top of liquid water. Ice is actually less dense than liquid water, even though it's solid. Now, let's learn how to actually calculate density step by step. Step 1. Measure the mass of your object using a balance. Step 2. Measure the volume, which depends on the object's shape. For regular shapes like cubes, use length times width times height. For irregular shapes like a rock, we use water displacement instead. Drop the object into a measuring cylinder full of water. The water level rises, and that rise equals the object's volume. Once you have mass and volume, just divide mass by volume. For example, a mass of 50 grams and a volume of 10 centimeters cubed. 50 divided by 10 gives a density of 5 grams per cubic centimeter. Always double-check your units match before doing the calculation. Scientists and engineers use density to choose the right materials for jobs. A lightweight but strong material might need low density and high strength. Density can even help identify an unknown substance in a lab. If it matches a known density value, you've found your material. So remember, density equals mass divided by volume, always. Try it yourself with objects at home like coins or toys. Next time, what is pressure and how do we calculate it?